in this interesting session. Why it is interesting? So interesting because the tool which I am now sharing with you, it is so powerful, so effective tool. Please go through this session very carefully and see the importance of this tool and how you can do magic with the help of this tool. The tool which I am talking about is the Kneaded eraser. So let me zoom on that tool first. Yeah, it is of brand from Creta Color. There are a lot of brands are available in this eraser. They make this eraser, but particularly I am using this eraser, this Creta Color brand eraser for a long time, almost from 2 or 3 years, and I am very happy with this tool. One of my friend, he bought different brand of same Kneaded eraser, but he not happy with that and he thought that it is not that good. So I will recommend you to go for with Creta Color Kneaded eraser. So what so much special about that I am mentioning? So let me show you first what this eraser is all about. So this is the same eraser which I have unpacked. So if you first see the quality of this eraser, it is like a clay. It have the clay kind of qualities in it. And one more good part about is that you can just use that, and you can after use you can just make keep it with original one and you can use it in further. So that is the beauty of this eraser, and you can use for long time. So as name suggested, first very basic use of this eraser is that you can erase with the help of this eraser. So that is not very great thing. So let me show you. Just if you want to erase any strokes, then suppose these are the strokes are there, and if you want to erase, then you have to just remove the part from this eraser. You have to just remove the part from this eraser, and then you have to just apply that on that artwork where you want to remove, and you can see that strokes are removing. So this is a very basic use of this eraser, and after application you can just join with the original one. So that is the first very basic use of this eraser. But the qualities which I want to talk about this eraser is not only this. With the help of this eraser you can also do the shading. That is the good part about this eraser. So for example, if you want to do the shading and you want to mix the two colors, then that you can do with the help of this eraser. For example, I use gray and amber color here, and I want to mix in this middle area. Then let me just zoom in that particular area. I want to just mix here. Then you can just, what you can do, you don't have to put too much pressure on that eraser while applying. Just you have to blend it. So how you have to blend it? Just put like this and just remove like that. So like that you have to do just the rotation. Then it will do the blending, little bit smooth blending you can find. You don't have to put too much, otherwise it will take out that color. So you have to be very careful. You have to do with very less pressure. So that is the second advantage of this eraser. And very third advantage of this eraser is very important. So for example, if you are working in very small area and there suppose you got any wrong stroke and you want to avoid that, then it is become very heck. Then it will become very tedious job to remove that stroke or whatever that you want to remove. So what you can, like for example, I am working on this shell of this snake and I want to remove particular stroke, then how I can do that? So if you go for your regular eraser, then it don't have that much space to remove that unwanted particle, and that quality of that eraser is not that good that it will easily, chances are there it will jump on the other area where you don't want to disturb or you don't want to touch. So how you can do that with the help of this kneaded eraser? So what you can do is that you can take out very small particle of this eraser. So for example, like that I am showing you. See, I take out very small particle of this eraser, and now I will do, I will use this kind of tip, any plastic, or you can even do with the pencil also if you don't have any tip or something. But I will recommend you don't use the pencil because it will chances are that it will destroy the pencil nib, and instead of that use any plastic or which has a sharp point, and just put that eraser on that sharp tip of that plastic. So you can see here how this I put that eraser on the tip of that plastic. Then what you can do, like that, let me zoom. So for example, if you want to remove this particle, then you can just simply touch with very less pressure. Don't put too much pressure because sometimes it will take other neighboring strokes also. So please apply with a very small pressure and try to remove that, and it will remove only part which you want to remove. So this is a very strong quality of this kneaded eraser. So I hope you understand the quality and advantages of this eraser. I will suggest you, if you are doing artwork, then please go with this tool. Generally I don't insist my students to go for any tool unless and until I personally like that tool very much, but this tool I personally like very much, so I will definitely recommend you, because this tool is, even though it is expensive, but you can use for many years because it is reusable. That is a very good advantage of this tool. So if you do investment, it can use for almost 5-6 years. So I got this from Amazon, almost near to I think 200 rupees for 4 eraser, and that is more than enough because you will require only one eraser for 3-4 years. Like I am using one eraser for last 4-5 years, and that is enough for me. So like that, it is a little bit expensive, but it is worth of that value. So please try to purchase this tool and try to apply that and enjoy that and get experience of how to use this tool. While at the initial stage, please apply with very small pressure, because if you apply with a very hard pressure, then it will destroy your other neighboring surface also. Please try to avoid that. So please apply with the very less pressure. So that's it in this session, and I hope you like this session and you will go for this tool. If you go for this tool, then please give comment, give the output which you received with the help of this tool, and how you feel about and what is your feedback on this tool. I want to read that your comment, and I will personally comment on your feedback regarding this tool. So I am waiting for your comments. So please feel free to put your feedback on comment box. See you in the next, we will meet in the next video. So till the time, happy sketching and bye bye.